In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube banner using Canva. Whether you're starting a new channel or just looking to refresh your existing one, having a visually striking banner is essential. It not only enhances the look of your channel, but also helps convey your brand's message at first glance. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Canva website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but if you do, simply log in. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage. From here, look towards the upper menu where you'll see various options. Click on Social Media. This section is specifically tailored to help you create designs optimized for different social media platforms. Once you're in the social media section, you'll see a variety of templates and formats tailored for different platforms. Here, you'll need to click on YouTube. This will further narrow down the templates to those specifically designed for YouTube content, making your job that much easier. Now that you're in the YouTube section, you'll be presented with several options, but we're focusing on creating a banner today. So go ahead and click on YouTube Banner. This will open up a new canvas with the correct dimensions for a YouTube banner, ensuring that your design looks perfect on both desktop and mobile devices. With the blank canvas in front of you, the creative decisions really start. You can choose from a variety of pre-made templates to get you started, or begin your design from scratch if you have a specific vision in mind. Canva offers a wide array of tools to customize your banner, from adding text, images, and shapes to changing colors and fonts. Don't hesitate to play around with these elements to create something that truly represents your channel. As you work, keep in mind that your banner should clearly convey the essence of your channel. Think about the colors and fonts that align with your brand. Also, consider adding elements like your upload schedule or social media handles to make it more informative. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download it. Click on the download button located in the top right corner of the screen. Choose the file type you prefer, though PNG is often recommended for its high quality. After downloading, head over to your YouTube channel to upload your new banner. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've created a stunning YouTube banner using Canva. Remember, your banner is the first impression viewers will have of your channel, so take the time to make it as appealing and informative as possible. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.